Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can add layer in your sketchbook app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your sketchbook app, and once your app gets opened up, you will end up in this kind of page. So once you're here, all you need to do is simply draw your image on the sheet and simply press on the overlapping like icon. So here simply press on the plus mark, and this will allow you to add layers in your sketchbook. So now you can draw above the previous drawings, and you can do the same way by adding layers by repeating the same steps. So this is how you add layer in your sketchbook app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.